One of the benefits with anchor modeling is the ease with which you can move between the conceptual and physical level, that is the database implementation, because there's a one-to-one mapping almost between the entities that you see here in the graphical model with tables in the database. Thanks to the simple structure, it's also very easy to automate tasks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the SQL code option from the generate menu, which will bring me the SQL code for creating the tables. So I'm going to select everything here and copy it and switch over to SQL Server Management Studio, in which we will create a database where we can run the script. So let's just name it example like that. We have an example database. I'm going to paste the query here. Here's the query and switch to the example database, and now I'm going to run the query. Now we've run the query and we have created a database corresponding to the model that we saw. So if I go into the example here, probably need to refresh it first, refresh, and look at the different tables. We see that we have a table corresponding to each of the graphical entities that we had. In anchor modeling we also create views and table valued function that correspond to the most common queries that you use. For example, for every anchor and tie we create a latest view. So if we were to look at, for example, the latest view of a restaurant, you see that it basically denormalizes the sixth normal form tables into something that looks like third normal form again, which is what many more database people are used to seeing. We also have here under the functions, we have table valued functions. For example, for restaurant we have a table valued function that takes a time point. So rather than to show the latest version for everything, we see the version that was current at the given time point.